What's up guys, my name is Vinner Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. And today I'm gonna take you on the tour of Pisa classes on a very special occasion, which is a National Pizza Day. And this class party is organized by Hyatt Regency free of cost. Yes, free of cost. I am going to attend the classes with my mother. Yesterday when I tell her that I'm going to attend the pizza cooking classes, she told me that add my name also in the class. So today we both are going to eat the pizza free of cost. I mean, definitely we will learn how to cook the restaurant style pizza. We all know about Hyatt Regency. This is a 5-star hotel and interior is awesomely beautifully designed. Let's go for the classes. Here it is, an open kitchen. There is a paper on every chair which guide us how to make the pizza, how to make the dough, how to make the sauce. It's an open kitchen dining area where people eat and spend the time with their friends and family members. Chefs are preparing each and everything for the class. Presentation is always been important. There is a capsicum, butter squash, cherry tomatoes, red capsicum, yellow capsicum. I'm always fond of commercial kitchen. We both are excited and ready for the official class. I think these are the rocket leaves. I think so. Let's try the cherry tomato. It's really small, soft and beautiful. It's bit on a sour side, but yes, it's tasty. And before class, chai is important. Let's take the tea. And this cup is mostly used by the street vendors. Let's take the tea like a dhaba style. I think that's enough for me. Well, that's a good idea. There will be no drop on the table. Brown sugar, good for health. Let's add it. Well, chai has always been important before shooting.
For celebrating the National Pizza Day with us. So today is, as we know, there's a National Pizza Day.
So chef is actually saying that Hyatt Regency is celebrating the National Pizza Day. They will make the pizza, they will teach, they will give the chance to eat the pizza free of cost.
We are ready with our water, sugar and the yeast, and now we'll be adding a flour to it and we'll be forming it into a dough. So anyways, this process actually now there will be a fermentation because of the yeast. So after some time this dough will rise and it will become too soft, but that stage takes almost 2 hours to 3 hours and we need to keep it into a room temperature. So we don't have such big time now. So we are using, we have already prepared a dough.
They already prepared the dough for us.
This is the dough will look like. This is very soft. So after 2 hours, 3 hours, this dough will become like this. Not like that, ma'am, because in our kitchen it is completely controlled.
Yeah,
so,
but not in our
in probably in your almost 7 to 8 hours, because that bacterial growth temperature is not enough in the fridge. So that's the reason it will take a little more time. Like this after 2 hours or 2-3 hours, and it is completely ready to use. So now we have done with the dough part of it. We'll keep it aside and we'll just see the sauce making process. And we have Vin, we have Delecta also. That also you can use.
What's the difference between the normal tomatoes that we use?
Okay, ma'am, actually these tomatoes are selected ones. Like if we buy from the market, you will find the tomatoes which are like, some of them are red, some of them are like orangish, yellowish, green. So that thing is eliminated here and only selected tomatoes are used so that they can give a similar flavor, and also no rawness is there and the color is also maintained. On this can, there's nothing we have done with it.
So chef explained that how to make the dough, how to make the tomato puree.
Need is there to cook this, because this anyway is going to be cooking inside the oven, in the pizza oven. So this is just the same similar sauce that you will be getting after crushing it. Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask about the olive oil.
Sunflower oil or any other oils, but again the taste will differ. So we prefer to use, ma'am, this is what is Abyss.
Well, they are using the Goodrich company yeast. They are using the Delecta company mozzarella cheese, which is easily available in the market.
So we have plain flour here for the dusting. So there is also like some people are using either cornmeal, or there is also Italian flour called farina flour, which is used to make dough. So like I have learned lots of pizza which are just hand stretched. So I used to use a very minimum of this rolling pins, because we used to make it hand stretched. Ma'am, this is just, I'm going to pressure on it. So you can see that I'm stretching it, but again, when I'm just turning it off, it's again coming back. So that we need to actually see, and we need to also see that the rolling is not like thick from one end and it's not like very paper thin on one end, because if in certain cases that when we put it inside the oven, like the oven is giving the temperature all over similar. So wherever your rolling is quite thinner, that part will burn fast. Equally
Pizzas like this with half a kg flour?
with half a kg flour, ma'am, it's almost 5 pizzas will be there. So it is very necessary to dust it with the flour every time, because we need to also pick it up with the shawl. We have a pizza shawl, so we need to pick it up with the pizza shawl. So if you can see the rolling is done almost. So this is like it should not be that in the center it is quite thin and at the edges it is quite thick. It shouldn't be the case. It will start popping. So that's not a good sign actually. So just to provide a good stand to it, we need to make sure that our pizza and our sauce is completely applied in the center, and the parts which are there is no pizza cheese or there is no pizza sauce, this part we need to just either with the fork or with the hand, we need to just make it pressed so that it does not pop up. Wherever there is something sauce on the pizza, that part will never pop up. So we have the standard ladders also for this, because we have like we are making in the shifts. There are people who are always changing the shifts. So in the morning shift there is a different shift. In the second shift there is a different shift. But just to achieve that, we have certain measures. So there is a pizza sauce. So this is the very basic pizza called Napolitan Pizza, because this was started in Naples, which is in southern part of the Italy. So this is called a pizza Napolitan, and you know of course that if we add some basil to it, it's become margherita. We don't use the cheddar cheese. In fact, nobody uses the cheddar cheese for making pizza. It's everywhere only a mozzarella cheese is used, because cheddar cheese is quite salty. So we'll be having some shawls like with us. So it is.
Okay, so first chef make the pizza base, add the sauce, cheese and the spinach, and now it's time for the oven, and the temperature of the oven is 250 degrees Celsius and it will take 10 minutes. And the meanwhile order comes and it's a pancake. I love it. This is the favorite dish of Doraemon. This look awesomely beautiful. Gas flame is high and I think pizza is going to be ready within 5 minutes more. I think it will take 3 minutes more. I was right. So first pizza is in the oven and it's time to make the second pizza, and someone wants to make the pizza with the chef. Let's see how she will make. Okay, so chef used the hands instead of a rolling pin, and this madam is using the rolling pin. Okay, it's okay. The first simple and the beautiful pizza is ready. Chef is adding olive oil on the corners.
What are you brushing it with?
Ma'am, just olive oil, because you know the inside is like with some sauce and some cheese, but the edges are quite dry because of heat. So just to avoid that, yes ma'am. Just to avoid that dryness.
To avoid the dryness, olive oil is important. It's look like a cheese margherita pizza. I don't think I will get the slice of this pizza because I'm shooting the video. It's okay, I will get the slice from the next pizza. I hope I will get the slice from this pizza. Okay, she's not a master chef, but she's doing well. She's using the less mozzarella cheese, but we all need the more cheese. And now it's perfect. She has the bowl of the mozzarella cheese in her hands. It's a favorite time, vegetables on the pizza. It's onion, red, yellow, green capsicum, mushrooms. It's look incredibly, awesomely, sensationally beautiful. And now basil's on the top. I definitely try this pizza. I don't think she will get the success on this. Yes, chef is a chef. And now pizza will goes to the oven, and before that photos are important. Well, she's now a celebrity. And look at the noise of this gas flame. That's cool. And now chef is going to make the third pizza, which will be without mozzarella cheese. That would be really interesting. Well, it seems like this rolling pin is too heavy. So this will be only a olive oil pizza. Brushing of olive oil, topped with black pepper and salt. And now I think chef is going to add some vegetables. And yes, it's a cherry tomato. As I tasted earlier, the cherry tomato is on a sour side, but let's see how the taste will be of cherry tomato on a pizza. So it's a very small round slices of cherry tomato on a pizza. Well, that's good. There are some black olives. So this fork mark is important for without mozzarella cheese pizza. I think it's a sea salt, and that would be tasty. And now it's time for the oven. Meanwhile, second pizza is ready. It looks so beautiful. Even I'm standing very far from the pizza, but still I can listen the noise of crispiness of the pizza while cutting the slices. This is a without cheese pizza, so this is a far from the gas flame. Now it's time to taste the second pizza, which will be first from mine. My mother is taking the slice from me. Thank you, mother. Well, everything is look good on the pizza, but these red capsicums look beautiful. It's very thin, crusty, crispy pizza. Let's have a first bite. Oops, sometimes things are happened. Well, it's truly an authentic taste. It's incredibly a tasty pizza. Well, cheese and sauce, it's drip out of the crust. Well, this place is legendary for the reason. Now it's time for another pizza, which is in a heart shape because it's a Valentine's Day. So heart is always been important. Again, some kind of vegetables on it. Meanwhile, our second pizza is ready, which is only just a olive oil pizza, no mozzarella cheese. Oops, careful, heart should not be broken. Again, some olive oil on without mozzarella cheese pizza. So there is no cutter required for this pizza, chef is doing with the hands. Let's have a bite of roti, I mean pizza. Well, this cherry tomato looks like a red paprika. Did you hear that noise? It's so crunchy. And this one is one of the hardest pizza I ever tasted. Well, heartbeat of this pizza is really fast. And this pizza is for the news reporters. Heart pizza is ready. Now it's time for the cutting, and heart will broken up in 2 pieces. I know, but this is life. Well, this pizza looks like ultra tender. Well, this is just a single bite shocked my teeth. Awesomely tasty. You got the combination of crunchy and cheesy. This mozzarella cheese will take you to the next level. Pizza is about humans. It's about making a new friends. It's about politics. It's about a war. It's about a trade. It's about immigrations. It's about natural resources. It's about our health. So it's all in all layer of friendship. A very warm thank you to the Hyatt Regency for giving me the permission to shoot the video. I will definitely come to the next event. And by the way, this pizza was complimentary because I shoot the video. Well, in one sentence, pizza is my life. Well, now it's time to go to the 5-star washroom. Well, it's door after door. Well, design is always been awesome of Hyatt Regency. I think it will be hot water. It's a warm water. Well, thanks for watching. I really work hard to make this video. If you like this video, press the thumb button, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.